This is the Instant Alignment with Jenny Garufi. If you know my work, you know I'm kind of obsessed with the magical element of water, and today we are connecting with the energy of water to allow it to reset your body, mind, and spirit. Please close your eyes and imagine clear, warm, comforting water moving gently through your entire body and nervous system. With each inhale, the water flows in, and with each exhale, it carries away whatever is heavy. No effort, just movement. Let the water rinse away tension, static, any old residue or things you're holding on to. The water leaves clarity behind. Take one final breath in, and as you exhale, feel what remains when the weight is gone. Thank the water for its nervous system reset. Take this calm with you. You know how to return. I'm sending so much love.
The Sherwin-Williams summer sale is here. Get 30% off select paints and stains or 35% off our newest product, Emerald Symmetry, July 17th through the 27th. Whether you're refreshing your interior or exterior, we've got the colors to bring your vision to life. And with delivery, getting everything to your door is easier than ever. Shop online to have it delivered or visit your neighborhood Sherwin-Williams store. Click the banner to learn more. Retail sales only. Some exclusions apply. See store for details. Delivery available on qualifying orders.